Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news China has big problems with mortgage foreclosures. But first, in a sign of a recovered economy in China, the upcoming Golden Week holiday, which is in the first week of October, is expected to raise the total number of domestic flight trips made during the holiday period to more than 15 million, a 10% rise from last year. Of course, some of that will be because many international destinations are not open, but still, the bulk of the Golden Week travel is domestic anyway. But all is not well there. In 2018, a data service reported 180,000 home foreclosures in China. In 2019, the same source reported 300,000. In the middle of September 2020, they're saying 1.25 million homes were foreclosed on by banks in China as vast numbers of people struggled to make the mortgage payments due to deteriorating job prospects and shrinking incomes. How credible the source is up for conjecture, but it is part of the giant Alibaba service, so you would think they would know. And the grain price rise in China is attracting speculators, accentuating their problems with low domestic supply and high import demand. In the US, the latest poll of consumer sentiment remains very negative year on year, but improved in September from August. And the US Fed balance sheet is rising again, up $54 billion in the last week to September 16, and the fastest rise in 15 weeks. And surging deposits and declining lending are driving banks to dramatically increase their holdings of US Treasury bonds, underpinning support for their bond market at a time of unprecedented government borrowing. And that support is significant. In Australia, which currently has about 1 million people unemployed, industrial action on the Sydney waterfront has the potential to add many more. Wharf workers are striking, and now major shipping lines are refusing to dock in the face of extended cargo unloading delays. Of course, it's not all bad in Australia. Despite their recession, business is booming across farms amid drought-breaking rains and rising commodity prices. US Treasury 10-year yield is still at 0.70% and unchanged since the end of trading on Wall Street. And the price of gold will start today down $4 to $1,949 an ounce. Oil price is a little changed today at $41 a barrel in the US, while the international price is down slightly to just on $43 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will start the week firmer at 67.7 US cents, and almost 1 cent higher than this time last week. Against the Australian dollar, we're unchanged for the week at 92.7 Aussie cents, and against the euro, we're up to 57.1 euro cents. That's a half a cent appreciation in a week. That means our trade-weighted index has risen to 70.5. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.